he wanted to show documents. So I'm say, oh, to me share documents. We have the documents long time. I've had the documents over a year. Also, me will be brave. It do sometime I be back. Now me team say, oh, this one, let's show it to them because Ghana around it, me blow do omo, around me low do omo, munya butre. Asefua, sa boy Jimmy da wo yusu no hono, kumase boy bi no. Ha, Jimmy, okasa by heart. Na no nsuo onam krom MP, Roses and nsase ponko, o Jimmy, and na jeso e Kristo ni. Wo didi nkofo yire chi, unfi akofa Roses asesra wonsa. O yin say yebeku an na be stop e. O Jimmy, ma wadwene mu nte na bobra pa. Jimmy, Roses and wonsa ndu e Kristo din. Mo na mo Jimmy mu ho abeduru ha. Ye na be so so Ghana ntra. A black one raising issue be about drip machines. Let me play the video. Mutie video we are now made the documents not money documents Dawson. Drip machine I'm going to buy before election no. Some machines no omuntia tax ba akumpo so. Video ni when you might grandma Afenyo Markin. Right now, some guy be texting me say Okoye Puma Afenyo Markin one of his houses in Accra when to Yapu Nika. Unimusu Jare Jimmy or son of Yapu. Omo constructive pool crama untia. When you see Cassie sit down one kind, Ebe Jinaba Yedi and Crom 4. Or catch the foot for say, oh Babisi, West Africa, ECOWAS Parliament. What just said 99 years. And you baby born some now, yeah. 99 years, what do you think? Call foot coffee, oh, yeah. And I'm going to open the phone lines for a foot for my friend. More foot to my friend. Afenyo Markin some Wudi, I am for more. We are going to charge and ask you questions. Obia Fallen Sankobia, but my for my answers. Ahema, Ebusian Penny4, more high, in Kratanaba, one Sasha Seviani to Taba, Kotana, a Togo. Mo modem Sasha Kratase. Edem kokro botiko si se Afenyo Markin in 5 foot to asase 99 years no. Mo muntu kronim. Because mmeburu ne pa asase ye kua kro munya bi. The young people of Efutu omo pa asase ye farming kro munya bi. Akwa we de Jimmy aja asase 99 years no to ho. And ono betwa motoro se obesi ECOWAS okachiro mnyama mienu. Also obesi ECOWAS Parliament and airport. And also some of us asking in our mano 99 years I want madimu young men me were young men omo gene person go into farming, serious farming omo nya asase. My small boy be go for be 1 acre you be jailing 20 years. My small boy be go for be 1 plot you be jailing we 20 years. Akwa we just asase 99 years when tia kapre I him for cronim penifo cronim 99 years aden. My small boy because say or pass as ye for so hwen sem me ka kire small boy no. And akwa we e Jimmy eye efutufo ni bi. Now, besides, get me the documents now. Na men ton file. Do you have the video? Na me Ghana for hu the end a year Okujato raise issue be. We had the document but a refuse be release. Too many things. I was on break. I think the end there Okujato Ablakwa raise issue be na a year boy bina we using no the rose done Jimmy bino. It was about a year drip machines, you know. Mrs. Push them for me. I think it's in the system. Mrs. Find them and just send me the list and the prices. I just want to show them. And Okujato Ablakwa raise issue be he wanted to show documents. I'm gonna say, oh, to me share documents. We have the documents long time. I've had the documents over a year. Also, me will not be brave. It do sometime I be back. Now me team say, oh, this one, let's show it to them because Ghana around it, me blow do omo, around me low do omo, munya butre. Enti Ablakwa raise issue be asefua. Sa boy Jimmy da wo yusu no hono, kumase boy bi no. Aha, Jimmy okasa by heart. Na no nsuo onam krom MP, Roses and nsase ponko, o Jimmy. En na jeso e Kristo ni. Wo didi nkofo yire chi, unfi akofa Roses asesra wonsa. Oyin say yebeku an na be stop e. O Jimmy ma wadwene mu nte na bobra pa. Jimmy Roses and wonsa ndu e Kristo din. Mo na mo Jimmy mu ho abeduru ha. Ye na be so so Ghana ntra. Now Ablakwa raise the issue be about drip machines. Besides, if you can send them to me right now, I will talk about it. Okay, you have the video, right? Okay, if you have the video, then let me play the video. Now, mutie video we are now made the documents na kire money documents Dawson. Drip machines issue no. Mama kire mo justification be an person de ma, but drip machine now mo de buy before election no. Some machines no omuntia tax ba akumpo so. Inti yebedwedwam udwa kwa ompa akọ open tina wo ha. Ai men block obi a ebe hyehye mo. Memmia mo kon. Irade jagobo. Memmia mo kon a momogu. Bibi mo Jimmy. Jimmy. Na me nyine na me say Jimmy etete people bi achi ebia when you are looking for foolishness. I thought foolishness was something that you need to go into the bushes to find or go beyond a man's land. Or bushes or foolishness was something na minim say Jimmy ni MPP. Video ni I think the documents will come right now. Maybe mama bev muntie video way. $84 billion as you said that he is saying it is 18 billion cedis and the drip 18. Yes.
The follow-up stems from the fact that one, he indicates that the pricing in his own words was outrageous and it was inflated, and he has done some work, and because of that, in his estimation, the pricing was indeed outrageous. Now, he said he has done some work, and I have also done some work, and I'm happy to share that with you. Honorable nominee, in my hands here is the contract itself, and maybe I'll go into specifics. Government bought a tipper truck for $78,000. So if you say it was outrageous, inflated, now the big question is, what is the market value for such an amount? Now I will take you to Zonda. Zonda is one of the well-noted agencies who sells tipper trucks.
Honorable Asafwa, with all due respect,
my question
he said he has done some work,
and he said it's
and you have done some work.
Yes.
Now, the amount being outrageous was based on the assessment of the work that he has done, but not your own. So the way you are going about the question, that is what is calling for worry.
Honorable
because
Chairman,
the work that you have done is not the same as the work that he has done.
Honorable Chairman,
your indicators may not be the same as his indicators.
Respectfully, I am saying that in the contract, government bought a tipper truck for $78,000. I am also referring the honorable nominee to Zonda, an agency that deals in tipper truck. When you go to Zonda today, Zonda sells a tipper truck for about $82,000 or $83,000. And government bought a tipper truck for $78,000. With this background, how do you term this as outrageously inflated contract? Because I don't see it.
Well, I don't know whether Zonda is the cheapest in the world, but I would ask the nominee to provide a question.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, clearly my good friend, the Honorable Asafwa, has to do more work. As for this work he has done, with all due respect, it leaves much to be desired. For Zonda's trucks, they pay duties. You imported your trucks free of duties. I did an RTI request, and I asked the DACF administrator, did you pay duties on the trucks? They said no. Zonda is importing their trucks, paying duties. So of course, you are not. I keep talking about comparing apples with pepper, and it has to stop. Then when you talk about we bought tipper truck, there are many types of tipper truck. What kind of model? Which year? What are the specs? So, Mr. Chairman, with all due respect, the oversimplification of matters it's not helpful. And I am willing and ready to submit the work that we did. I say procurement breaches, no value for money, inflationary pricing, and it's a fact. I'm so convinced that Ghana could have saved 100 million.
The question is simple. Zonda machines, did we buy it from Zonda? So drip machines normally buy your taxes or port. As if Huawei is guilty, about 20 of the machines there they are and he is so obsessed with a drip machines. My mentor document back be me and I'm here ready. My team just told me some these are some of the documents. Sanyo mama de ba port tax back. These are the things they brought. Sanyo ma we my kind document in it. You see the date on it and I will share from Ministry of Finance. We refer letter number SCR blah 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 dated 31st May 2024 from dash of the president of the above mentioned subject. Now, 2. The application is in respect of a request for exemption from the payment of custom duties and custom taxes on the following moving equipment procured from Mazar JA Plant Pool, Ghana Limited for official use. In the Finance Ministry, Finance Minister Chirokoma a custom for say sa nyoma wo yomode ba company where your friend JA Plant ede ba no sa nyoma na ye de ba no mama muntia duties because aban somebody be aban adwuma bi unim nyoma no when ye ka ho asem na asefo ane te wona obusabusa question because omo no bo kro no we. This was right before elections. Now o kan nyoma ben no de ba ya omo ntia taxes na ablakwa ka no mo beso because these are the documents. I had this document like 3 months ago. Intuition, your mom, the buyer now. 26 units of ZL50CN wheel loader. Mr. S, Mr. P, we had the pictures, right? 50 units of GLG77A backhoe loader. 20 units of GLG B230 crawler dozer. 50 units of Uhuna Ariabo. Unim Ariabo. A black documents are not compulsory. They did not pay taxes on any of this. Ministry of Finance, they release a letter. Ekoma custom for some momunje tax biya. Unim, how much we are talking about here? Kwasi abo any to work say we buy from Zonda and it is $70,000. Abua. Mr. P, where are the pictures? Na me fan chiro mo na me magana fo hu. The contract, company will know. You paid only 20% of the contract. How come you bring all these things in and you just clear all the taxes off? We are talking about 80 units tipper truck, 80 tipper trucks to your taxes. And then I say, what to this cano? 28 water sprinklers, 28 and no money Mr. P, get me the pictures again. Me the pictures the say, hey, na nyoma we no to be 50, 80, $1, 1 cent. As a for you know, say, and the Zonda machine, yanto machine be a free Zonda. Thank you, Mr. S. Yeah, what, Mr. S, let me tell you something fan church. Na mono your bot dina na montiasie, be chiremo. Mo bianco that, my chiremo nyoma na. Omo kase, ayin, ena, omo tax ba kukra waso. Ministry of Finance and a catch up some more behind the tax. Mumo fambra, make chiramu. Kwasiafo, mo tete Ghana, Afenyo mark Jimmy. He can't kwasiasem. Mr. S, thank you, Mr. P, thank you. 9 units of trailers, 9 units of tractor heads, 700 units of concrete mixers. 700 units of concrete mixers. My main for pictures in chiramu. Kwasiafo na muso so. As if we say we buy from Zonda. Did you buy these things from Zonda? Or dying? My make sure pictures. No, send a bell. Say, hey, when go me ba? Because Kevin there, as some can maybe I'm a boy, maybe I'm a shower there. Thank you, team. Thank you very much. This is the first one. My memfa sa document went to her. More pen some. Mumba to me carrying some ekuta. These are the things I'm okay. Hey, we. Thank you. I have the names here. I think it can guide me. 700 units. Yeah, I've seen it. The first one is this is the sprinkler. Mechiramo. Wait. I'm going to send a buy. Mami enlarge me there. Kwasiafo. Mechiramo. Sprinkler send I'm going to buy 28 no taxes cars way 28 aboatwe why we nim kokko se abewotwe nkwan e de rose ato nsa ototum abetra be keka nkwase asem when you buy from Zonda it is $70,000 e wi tisa wo you are scared to go to jail free. This is a sprinkler Mr. P me church am ni nyina mu okay now I okay so me the sprinkler natural 28 of these ones omo de buy right before elections omo ntua 1 cent $1 yanko edi me church pictures no and then eba mo ate de ye na se mama cham second one no this is the second one ariabo Because which one is this one, Mr. P? This one is the. Is this the backload? Where from backload, Nana? Mr. P. Aha, this one is the 110 unit. 110. Wait, 110. Almost 110 unit of rollers in the Ariabo. 110. Almost your taxes. Thank you very much, team. Mr. P, thank you very much. I'm seeing it now. This is a roller. And then Omokan wants them now as if I say, they did not pay tax on even one. You said by government, 110 of Ariabo. You move back, Unibako. What's your fool? Foolish boy, but now say, and a black one cannot correct. Or the idea way, MPP for the idea we remove no taxes. 110. We ain't him. The next one is this one. Wait a year. Wait, there also be him. And I'm yes. Wait a year 50 motor grader 50. Wait 50. I want your taxes back also. Finance Minister, in a letter in here, or say the customs should not take any taxes. I'm going to remove free. MPP nkwasi afo we me metena ha say MPP mbra power 42 years and kwa na afi ye adwene ho saade we 50 units of motor grader 50 units omo ntua tax back kra ho and then the multi parliament say if we bought for they didn't buy from Zonda, this is cut. My mention, the our list in the sono. I feel say, hey, into Sanyama when you know Roma, you enter taxes, yeah, MPP no more. There's the next one. I see a 41 a black one kind of crack a Jimmy 4. You see this one? Ha, when your friend. Thank you, Mr. P. This one is the one they call 20 unit doses. Budo doses 20. Am I right? No, besides that's not it. We're 50 unit backhoe holder. Weigh 50. I want your tax back across. Backhoe loader. Weigh 50. And the paper no so no. I must be watch now because for Mombra make say boy. 50 they did not pay a dime. I'm the room. I'm a chedi. I'm the can pay. Hey, I'm boy. Kwasiafo e ndem nya no te parliament ye de ye diase some junso gu omo so na mopam omo ewifo ma men kira ma de foforo me kira mo saa de no musa black or say na black ka say mo over $100 million sasikini nyina se we no de $100 million ko $1 am for your pot $1 ma men kira the next one in gain and before moi you see this one wait your friend no. They be saying my exact name no. This one is called tipper track. The 80 into 1 city also 80. Baku mi miensa enum ensia endu on the track at 5 6 9 10 12 track at 17 18 20 23 24 French musa 80 into 1 cent. Finance minister say ma monje kapre. Eno mu twifam. Kwasia betena vetting committee say when you buy from Zonda abuofunu Zonda neyeto where Zonda tipper truck car we nko 50 80 omontua kapre ba omia nim hu bi omo disika no nchechede ma and then go for we have omo moral right to come and vet anytime me catch Ghana for say we mo jimi o, let's not pay attention to them. So now we Ghana Nina so that down support to MPP we jimi. Mama show another one. Let's train a Mr. P, thank you. The next one is this. This one is called wait, I'm going to send a buy. Let me show you the number they brought. Besides this one, wait, I'm going to your friend doses. I'm going to 20 into one city. 20 of these machines. I'm going to 1 city. 20 of these machines, they didn't pay 1 city. Finance Ministry from the Kufuor said, Momunje Capre, Omuyimfem. Now, Sana teacher mine. Kwasiafo be kodano ho about 4 years, but catch say, I yentuma omubiem. Unimbe. Huh? Now we kwasiafo to TikTok. Ye de yentia se lose ye inwanma. Kwasiasam papa kuro, Ghana your papa store anka kwasiasam kama sa de we si. Because I kwasia tribal party in yanka bi ne gumunti ye Jimmy yenso so. Mama nkyerɛ ba ko na aka no we na no mubusa ablakwa say ye tono zonda bibie ne we zonda wa ha ablakwa so bodi 100 million. It is true. Nyama me church odi ba ko bo. Mama nkyerɛ the next one. Gang. The next one in here. We Mr. P. We trailers. Almost the 9. Trailers 9 we wura Ghana. Almost 1 city. Trailers we almost the 9. Almost the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Almost room. Finance Minister said mamu jiska. Now, no money unim de me yapa wom. We. Hey. Meba binye wie e say Dawson. There's one here. And kwa na me ya no. We sa ade we. We concrete mixer no. Ade na ye de mix concrete no. Concrete mixer no. Omo the concrete mixer nkwa 700. Wait, 700 pieces. Omo ntia 1 city. Finance Minister sama me nje kapre. Wasiafo. Omo de 700 pieces of this by Ghana. And our document this no. 700 pieces. Omo ntia a cent. Ma mention another one kra esa eba bubu kra mpo fumo no. You see this? Wait. Unim dodo omo de buy. Tractor heads, car way, it's a way the 9. The nyina femu 1 cent, omuntua 1 cedi. 9 of these. Tila na black wa catch say when him say dia amaye no mabokro no. Asefua no onimo. Anything out to he's so obsessed with drip machines. Can drip no. The drip ni behind the scenes ni. But the document natural mumu say okuja to black wa say the kuta many the kuta the difference be anim. There were too many documents. And anytime I can just say, MPP nankasa no, mini omundili wo 20, 8 years, me no 2028. Na 2028, must start a year NDC 2028. From now on to 2028, no, a year MPP 2020 to 2024, where you want to make it. Debiano a carry forward. It's mama already say, yeah, started 2024, you may be because you year 2020 to 2024 mean to me year 2024 to 2028 and yes I'm tie ethics no metiasie adwuma no metiasie. I understand the job and anything I make actual say me year 2020 to 2024 I cannot do 2024 to 2028 because there's backlog and me person be because me dealing with scandal last me kan so person me express scandal mouth now yeah Ghana ni MPP ni $25,000. That's all. 930. Only $25,000 back. Make jai backlog in backo. Na my year would na shemu. But for now, no, I am doing from 2020 to 2024. Me wie. I then I'm 2020 to 2024. Ebe 2024 2028. I then I'm yesa. Sanye ye bobra. Sanye ye journalism. Ye clear backlog no. Intimate started 2024 to 2028. In 2028 to 2032. Do you get me, Mr. Nkrumah? I watch it.
Yo, we are best fishermen. No, no answer mine. I watch it. You will for Belgium fan. It was better Belgium fan. It was two Belgium fan. Why you Why round what? Why you Why round what? Why you Why round what? Why you Supuno? Why round what? It was for Belgium fan. It was better Belgium fan. It was two Belgium fan. It was new Belgium fan. Why you Why round what? 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 Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Why round what? Why you Why round what? I want it. Original. I will go for Belgium fan. I want to be Belgium fan. Where you mind
grandma moi makra honde mensaba ahonde mensa na menti medi na refi eyi nkoto na mameka ya ahonde mensa sakaro aboaboa sakaro otumfo ka na foforo na abai kese Muhammad eni bi na etim kura betu no ebedie fi atachem ahonde mensa oh nana ka na aba no foforo na aba na Muhammad eni bi no de na nine de otinemu no nana pia wo fa se chenchen hene kevinte nana mini fa nsa bomechi nana oka foforo ya wakoto ya etite wiemi kese yi and tai mono wo wiemi so hu bebi yi mese saka na ka tachebu kura ahode mensa betu na se ayi abafie ame ahoro ho ahode mensa enkofo we akra ahode mensa abama omo ntua kapre makra ahode mensa 300 aba Ghana awiabo be 30 eye de eye kati be 50 mun ntua kapre ahode mensa nyina nemu awiabo kwasiafo na ya betena ha na yeso so free mind na kai ohun ahode mensa free mind na kai ahode mensa no ai free mind so you crash me call for you crash for rough free mind go to bobu to be catch you say na mo so de ani e dey na mama TV so ese preke free mind to be catch you say hey free mind to be catch you say hey ya wona bench akuta adena wonim cheese ai go to me catch dey go to catch you na dum TV no say adan e go for ye obi anko baby na nyina enko baby go to catch you bi go to chibi oh or catch you bi e wan dum TV no say adan problem ben e de be ba se be problem am ho ana se be ba se me be bo ma Ghana yeye e de twi nkese na mo ganza e go to ni free man o to be catch you to ku Yakubu twi mu mpi hu enti kwasiafo wei e na mote omo ho me sure say efutufo are ready to call the number na and the screen so no I'm going to pick calls 1 2 3 4 5 bi na mapon na yasa some catch am say me wo ma me pie so a ni nyina e 2020 e de 2020 2024 ehun edwuma na yeye yenya start 2024 to 2028 enti sorry Ghana na wo hwɛ me a de ye nyina we are still covering and enti na mo hu yesa no ye cover your backlog wo ho so person me jai 2020 2024 de na so person me business $25,000 and they offer me a mess scandal na ma but so ni sas can dey din ni enye 2020 2024 ye wie sa no wie a na ya start here for 2024 2028 enti e be wie 2020 2024 na edu 2028 enti ye start 2028 na afei yetumi cover 2024 to 2020 sa na ye no ye be say clean slate no so se ne be ya obi emfechire endi ye bone enti sa opese u break protocol dia na wa asem ne hiawo na ebi a opese wo hu se bibie si opese ka ho asem da the price na to 25,930 and the other bar metro be gina TV so and the medwudwam kika ni nyina is kasam an we de gidigidi bi enim original. This is what Afenyo Markin is trying to do. Afenyo Markin ho hwade bi a oye wo sa area ho one guy na the former Gomua Central MP no your friend no Nana Aye or your former interior minister said akwana kwame plus ko ekutu no one eye Afenyo Markin no but together you know what Afenyo Markin is trying to do mu Gomua for no efutu for no make tumufo sa kwa we obesai mu kuro no. Now, what he's doing in the say, he's encroaching a Jumako traditional area, Gomua, a Jumako traditional area. What he wants to do in the say, he wants to create a middle Gomua. Tie. Now, sir, the middle of Gomua, your friend Gomua Pomadzi. Afenyo Markin person or created something called Winneba North. Say, who study? I just want to break it down. Obeso create bi friend efutu north enti eye sa Gomua Gomua ejumako traditional area ho no obese o carve some place because we hu ne se ehoda ne nkofo ne hye obese o carve some place on this sa akwa no lose to kwame A+ no akwabina no ye former interior minister bi o se den na aye no. What they want to do is say he wants to create something called efutu north. Na watching a hona be kan de ho because what he does all the time and they say on certain niveau to Afenyo Markin, he enters the other constituency. Now we carry vote a free hall. So illegally, he is trying to create his own Efutu North out of Gomua traditional area. Hormono. Ejumako Gomua Ejumako sa opeso or carry sa area no be Canada ho or gerrymandering. Or one kophobia nkofo a omo sa area ho. It's a person or carve some for the back because anything election time or struggle no. So I'm both ultimately we need elections. Now he wants to become the Mugabe and Bobrisky of Efutu and also the PDD of Efutu. He's using a strategy bia on him funibi and about together. He wants to force and create Efutu North. He wants to enter a Jumako Gomua traditional area. Now Ura now carve a place be. Gomwe Jumako no opeso oyi omo place ni bi beka efutu or no create e efutu north na beka no constituency ho na afei no odi bully NDC for no ho. Even though it is not official no unofficially no that is what he does every elections. Into the group of people be omo to aba omo ji so omo to akọ the other side but omo to a ye de ba Afenyo Markin. In the Sobe Stadia, every time they are counting piano, but it's a chaos see because he always makes sure say, sa eye Jumako Gomua traditional area on a Jumako ormono. What he does and say he gets his Gomua Jumako, he gets his people to go bring the ballot to his side. And that is his new agenda. Mo amutie futuno, san kwasiade Afenyo Markin ye no. And am ahemfu ni bi. The former mamehwe, the dean is saying na ohini bi wo ho saa ohini na ebo Afenyo Markin ma ne di saa adwuma no me de ne picture ba be kire mu. There is a chief there or no or saa area ho ono na ebo Afenyo Markin e ma na carve saa efutu north no by force e de abebe kan the constituency ho saa efutu Bobrisky way efutu de PDD way a odi enwa pedophilia or defending a pedophile. He is a pedophile defender. That is what he's trying to do. Into more Gomua, more efutu, the young people of Gomua traditional area, Ejuma Kono, munya aggressive. You need to stop it. You need to petition this government. Afenyo Markin cannot enter Ejuma traditional area and carve some part and add it to efutu. No, it should never be possible. So this is a message I'm sending to the young people of efutu. Motiti abrochire obebe fie ne asase na papa dia. Motiti abrochire mo baba de se baby na ufri na ho na ufri efri se Afenyo Markin or mixed race to say me or half awona wa beje wasase 99 years. Enti we dia efutuo ena me de bema nana obrefo nana mesra o me respect wo as a city here mintimi fa asem bia nto so na se woni Afenyo Markin connive to do something like this and anajai as a city here men ka say why but what intentions be say only Afenyo Markin nana obrefo only Afenyo Markin be bibi sa don't do it. Afenyo Markin is a politician, he will use you. Oyo hene a sebi ebusuan na you. Afenyo Markin, he is a politician, he will use you and he will sell the land. He will sell you. Nana Obrefo, stay away, please. Me paucho ja politician way nana ho asem dosun. Do not help Afenyo Markin to steal those lands. Carve that out. A crime no person committee. Nobody should give him that space. And I'm waiting for the Gomwa youth. Gomwa Ejumako traditional area youth should release a statement, and I'll read it on my platform. They should release a statement and petition the interior minister, petition the land minister, petition the president. Let us have it here. I will read it for the world to know. Say, the youth of Gomwa, the youth of Ejumako Gomwa traditional area, they have actually written a petition and that they need to be heard. Nyina why ye nyina ye Ghana for. Enti ye bedwedwam udwa kwa ompa kwa openti na wo ha. Ai men block obi a ebe hyehye mo. Memmia mo kon. Irade jagobo. Memmia mo kon momo bibi mo Jimmy. Jimmy. Na me nyine na me say Jimmy etete people bi achi ebia. When you're looking for foolishness, I thought foolishness was something that, you know, you need to go into the bushes to find or go beyond a man's land. Or bushes or foolishness was something. A bit. Now, my name say Jimmy MPP. You can't say foolishness. You see a Kobe Jimmy, a Kobe in Peniform DNM and a MPP. Now, my name da. Now, a moon Peniform DNM Egiminti, ama omomudio muchino. They are failing to think. Ye miamo for 42 years. Next time, to me become on sa number the mokwasi ahwe ni ye. Now, why na ehwe me a de ni age ana why so na ehwe me de buofu. Why na aba so obedi atam a sebio udi atam na enko bebia. If you say social media na Facebook, YouTube no yenji sika obetima ko bie wo de. Se ohwe na de make na wo mpa ko bie wo de na ko ka no kore no wo ho. Enya den. Yenjo $1, yenjo kapre, as simple as that. Intimisra ubuofu abufu kwa. If you say adiano ha ene wo. Ya anji misika na mebie ye, wo so yenji usika obetime bie wo de. Inti ko na ko bie wo de, ubegina me platform susu a usu kwa. Ene nya hwe enko bebia. Kevin tell you are stupid. If your man come to Ghana, we Jimmy, we yakwase enko bebia mi ginam. Gigim. Agwawe. Mi ginam gigim ai minko bebia ye be sa di busuan fo so aso abefie me ne ombeba me list no wo ho ye be deporting kofo ai MPP for me kofie bebre eni sa mutina kromo am bi mo gimi dodo. One world, one God, different time zones. Obi friend nyame no obi ni ho. My name is Kevin Akobedu Taylor. You have been my guest, you have been my friend, you have been my patriot and comrade. We are not done yet. We will finish the 2020-2024 job before we move on to the 2024-2028. Be with me, stay with me. Let's clean the table before we move on to the next table. I'll be back to discuss Ghana. I'm still here. I'll be here. My team, they are called the Ghost Team. They put all these things together, or all these facts together for me to present to you. Remember, we are all messengers who are willing and ready to speak truth to power. Have a wonderful night. Good night and cheers. With all due respect. Abuache.
Yo! We are best fishermen. No, no answer mine. Abuache. You will for Belgium fan. It was the Belgium fan. It was two Belgium fan. Why you're yet? Why round what? Why you're yet? Why round what? Why you're yet? Why round what? Why you're yet? To pull the wild round what? It was for Belgium fan. It was the Belgium fan. beg one, I will do a beg one, beg one, beg one, I will do a beg one, beg one, beg one. Why you're yell? Why drown? 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 Every papa no, what one is the motto? 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 Why drown? Why you're yell? Why drown? I want it. Original. I will go for bad. I want me to bad.